When installing lightning protection systems on asphalt shingle roofs, you have two primary fastener options: a loop clamp used with a 14 C-ring nail, or a square copper pad with two forward nails. The decision of which to use depends on the angle at which the wire approaches the roof. If the wire runs straight up and down, the loop clamp is the preferred choice. If the wire enters at an angle, a copper pad is more suitable. In either case, the nails will penetrate the shingles, and it is crucial to seal these penetrations with roofing cement to prevent leaks. The key to preventing leaks lies in using a high-quality roofing cement. Ensure that you remove any sand grains from the roofing cement before application. Avoid diluting the roofing cement with mineral spirits or gasoline, as this can weaken the material and cause it to dry out prematurely. After securing the loop clamp or pad with nails, apply a generous bead of roofing cement over the nails and allow it to cure properly. To further protect the installation from oxidation, consider painting the loop clamp or pad and wire with Rust-Oleum copper paint. It is essential to avoid using aluminum loop clamps in contact with copper conductors. The dissimilar metals can cause corrosion, so always opt for copper loop clamps.